Hello, my name is Chris Rowe, and this is a video for lesson 40. So let's get started with finding the missing number using fractions. So let's try number 1. 5.0 minus blank equals 3.6. Since this blank is the difference between 5 and 3.6, to find this blank number, we can subtract 3.6 from 5. So 5.0 minus 3.6. I'm going to borrow from 5. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Put the decimal point, and we get 1.4 as the blank in number 1. Let's try 3. This time, the left number is missing. And in order to find the blank number, we're going to add 1.6 to both sides. And 0.4 plus 1.6 is 2. Let's try 5. Again, the left number is missing. So in order to find this number, we're going to add 0.4 to both sides. So 3.6 plus 0.4, that is 4, or 4.0. Let's try 8. 0.9 minus blank equals 0.4. This time, we're going to subtract 0.4 from 0.9. And when we do that, we get 0.5. So that is our blank. Okay, we're going to find the missing numbers again. So 86 equals blank plus 38 plus 14. So before we do anything, we're going to add these two numbers together. And 38 plus 14 is 52. Now, in order to find this blank number, we're going to subtract both sides by 52, and that is 34. So that is our blank. Let's try 4. 65 equals 28 plus 28 plus 21 plus blank. So we're first going to add 21 and 28. And when we do that, we get 49 plus blank. Just like 1, we're going to subtract both sides by 49, and in order to find blank, and that is 16. Let's try 8. 141 equals blank plus 29 plus 62. So we're first going to add 29 and 62, which is 91. So 141 equals 91 plus blank. I'm going to subtract both sides by 91, and we get 50 as our answer. Now we're going to multiply improper fractions. So let's try 1. 14 over 4 times 33 over 10. Before we multiply, we can simplify this fraction by dividing 14 and 4 by 2. When we do that, we get 7 over 2 times 33 over 10. We multiply, we get 231 over 20. Alright, let's try 3. 5 over 2 times 3 over 2 we multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. When we do that, we get 15 over 4. And that's it. Let's try 5. 13 over 5 times 7 over 4. Just like the last problem. Multiply these together and these two together. When we do that, we get 91 over 20. Let's try 7. 16 over 5 times 5 over 2. Before we multiply, we can simplify to make multiplication easier. We're going to cancel both of these by dividing them by 5. We get 1 and 1. And we can simplify both of these by dividing by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 times 1 is 8, and 1 times 1 is 1. So their answer is just 8. Let's try 9. 9 over 4 times 23 over 10. This time we can't simplify, so we're just going to multiply. 9 times 23, that is 207. And 4 times 10 is 40. And that is our answer. Okay, now we're going to do order of operations. We're gonna subtract a lot. So 28 minus 8 minus 7 minus 6 minus 5. There's only subtraction here, so we're just going to go from left to right. 28 minus 8 is 20. 20 minus 7 is 13. 13 minus 6 is 7, and 7 minus 5 is 2. Now let's try 3. Now we have a parentheses. So we're going to do what's inside first. So 17 plus 19 is 36, and 36 minus 13 is 23. And now we get 15 plus 28 minus 23. Now we can just go from left to right. 15 plus 28 is 43, and 43 minus 23 is 20. Let's try 5. We're going to do what's inside the parentheses first. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is the same as 3 times 4, which is 12. And 33 minus 12 is 21. Let's try 8. 37 plus parentheses 4 plus 31 minus 32 close parentheses minus 35. Do what's inside the parentheses first. 4 plus 31 is 35, and 35 minus 32 is 3. So now we have 37 plus 3 minus 35. 37 plus 3 is 40. 40 minus 35 is just 5. And last problem, let's do 10. Do what's inside first. We get 10 and 1. And 10 minus 1 is 9. And that is it. Thanks for watching.